Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a new AI tool in Canva called Multi-Outfit TryOn. As you can see, I can change the outfit on any model, even in the pose. As you can see, completely changed. I added even sunglasses, I have the bag. So it's a really beautiful AI tool to try. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So before we start, I will show you guys the website. This application was developed by the IPA.io. As you can see, they have their own website. You can also try from here. We can also see the pricing. As you can see, the starter pack is from 10 euros. You can to the studio pack, which is 100 euros, only one-time payment. So as you can see, this is not a monthly. This is just a one-time. But if for a 10 euros, $10 you can get 25 credits. For 100, you can get 600 credits, which are amazing. And here everything is unlocked. Bulk generation, transparent background, the creations history, unlimited save models. So that's a pretty cool tool. And what the tools actually promise to us: create professional outfit visual without reshooting. So virtual trial for stylists, e-commerce and creators, styles complete outfit with up to 5 apparels and accessories in one look instantly inside Canva. So that's a pretty amazing tool. And as you can see, I already created these two, and I also created other two empty canvas just to show you guys what is this application. So just searching for multi, I already find this multi outfit try on. This is the application. Actually, the thing is, we have 5 credits. So sorry, 5 credits, 2 credits. Sorry, I'm already thinking of a different thing. So we have the 2 credits. So we can try it for more or less for free. How is the app is works? So it's a pretty nice thing from the developers. So it's highly recommended to try, and you will see how is it works, and you will see it's worth it to try and even to buy credits for the app. And the 5 thing what I would like to mention, we can upload 5 images of accessories, clothes. So that's pretty cool stuff what we can do. So choose file. I just choose a same image. As you can see here, scrolling down, we have already a couple of accessories inside. I will do again the same thing because I do not want to upload anything now. I will use the same shirt, and I will use now, I think, why I cannot find the, here. Add in the skirt and just click on generate. So it takes time, so I'm just pause the video. So it's already generated, as you can see here. I just realized I copied the wrong image to here. So I just copied the original one, which is this, to here, and also to here. And now I just add to design. And as you can see, the new outfit is already added to here. It's a pretty nice stuff. Completely change the outfit of the model. So the other thing what we would have to try, would have to show, we can do even more. This is just a basic. So choose the file again, or use the same image. It's uploaded. Now, just for even more fun, I just add mere clothes. Hopes it also works. This one, add the sunglass also, watch. Let's try, and then a sneaker. Okay. Pose. We can keep it original, but we can change the pose also. Like to cross-armed. Use pose. Then we can have the original background, or we can add also different backgrounds. But use this golden R rooftop. Use background. So, and now click on generate again, and I will pause again this video. So now the outfit is generated, so I just need to add the design. And here is the design. As you can see, it's completely changed the image. Completely. That's so amazing. So change the clothes, added the sunglass, the t-shirt, the shorts, even the sneakers, the watch. So that's, and also to change the background just in one thing. That's stunning, guys. This application is must try. Even if you have just 2 credits, it's already nice to try and play with it. Then you will see that really works. That's really amazing. Then you can buy your own credit to play more, or using for your own business, which is also a really cool stuff. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope you will like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit a small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. Plus, if you have any question or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer it as soon as possible. Sorry. Please also check the description, where you can find links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. List in a Facebook page, and of course in the TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.